Welcome to my channel ABC Color Art.
Assalamualaikum प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे capital letter and small letter or color names. This is color name is purple. This is color name black. This is color name light green. This is color name sky blue. This is color name orange. This is color name red. This is color name sea green. This is color name brown. This is color name light pink. This is color name yellow. Let's learn alphabets. A is for alligator. A. B is for bag. B. C is for cherry. C. D is for duck. D. E is for elephant. E. F is for frog. F. G is for grapes. G. H is for hen. H. I is for igloo. I. J is for joker. J. K is for king. K. L is for lion. L. M is for mango. M. N is for nose. N. O is for orange. O. P is for pumpkin. P. Q is for queen. Q. R is for rose. R. S is for sun. S. T is for tiger. T. U is for umbrella. U. V is for van. V. W is for watermelon. W. X is for Xmas-tree. X. Y is for yak. Y. Z is for zoo. Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z। बच्चों अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें, लाइक करें। थैंक फॉर वॉचिंग।